Can emotional entanglement stop clear problem definition? Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your feelings when trying to solve a problem? This is a common experience, especially for seniors. Today, we will discuss how emotional entanglement can make it hard to define problems clearly. Emotional entanglement happens when strong feelings like anxiety, sadness, or fear mix with how we see a problem. This blending can make it tough to separate what we feel from what is actually happening. When emotions are involved, it can cloud our judgment and complicate the process of identifying the real issue. In cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, defining the problem clearly is a key step for effective problem solving. This means breaking down a situation into smaller parts and understanding the thoughts, feelings, and behaviors involved. When emotions are tightly woven into the problem, seniors might struggle to see the actual issue. For instance, feelings of loneliness or grief can overshadow practical problems, like managing daily tasks or resolving conflicts with others. Emotional entanglement can also lead to cognitive distortions. These are unhelpful thinking patterns that can make problems seem bigger or more complex than they really are. For example, someone might think, "I will never feel better," when in reality, there are steps they can take to improve their situation. So, how can seniors tackle this challenge? Practical CBT strategies can help. One effective method is to identify and label emotions. By doing this, seniors can reduce confusion between what they feel and the facts of the situation. Another useful technique is cognitive restructuring. This involves challenging distorted thoughts that are linked to emotional entanglement. By questioning these thoughts, seniors can gain a clearer perspective on their problems. Mindfulness is also a great tool. It encourages individuals to observe their emotions without immediately reacting. This practice allows for a clearer assessment of the problem at hand. Lastly, breaking problems into smaller, manageable pieces can make them feel less overwhelming. Focusing on specific actions rather than getting lost in emotions can lead to practical solutions. For seniors, these strategies can be adapted to fit their needs. Therapists may include discussions about physical health or spiritual beliefs, as these can influence emotional responses and how problems are perceived. In summary, emotional entanglement can indeed interfere with clear problem definition. By blending emotions with the facts of a problem, it can lead to distorted thinking and difficulty focusing on solutions. Cognitive behavioral therapy for seniors aims to help disentangle emotions from problem analysis. Through awareness, cognitive restructuring, and behavioral techniques, seniors can achieve clearer and more effective problem solving.